make this video to talk about prepping chicken, specifically chicken breasts. Most of the time I eat chicken at other people's houses or wherever, it's dry, overcooked. You know, they're throwing this thick breast right on the grill, okay, with some seasoning or whatever. Now, there's no fat in here. Chicken breast is 100% protein, okay? So if you do not tenderize this, if you do not brine it, okay, if you don't take care of this meat and make it grillable, it's gonna be pretty much inedible unless you put a ton of sauces and stuff on it to make it have some flavor, okay? So brine your chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar in, you know, the large pot, okay, 1.5 2 liters of water in there. Let it sit in there for a while. I mean, as long as you can prep it early, I'd say 4 hours is good. Anywhere from 2 to 4 hours is probably plenty. But yeah, brine it. Help tenderize it. Give it some flavor. You know, infuse it with that salt, a little bit of sugar. It's good for it. And what you do, once you take it out, put it in a gallon Ziploc bag. You could do it another way if you want, but what I'm going to do here is tenderize it. Okay, so I'm gonna pound it down so it goes from 2.5 inches thick or whatever it is down to less than 1 inch or about 1 inch. So it's gonna expand. Now, when you do this, pound it on the smooth side. Okay, your chicken breast. You know, when you if you're pulling it off a rotisserie, you know that the top side is going to be smooth. Bottom side's gonna be more fibrous where it disconnects. Pound it from the smooth side, okay? Don't pound it from the other side, okay? So if it's been brining a while, it'll just flatten out right away, okay? You don't have to go too crazy. You don't have to hit it too hard. But yeah, get it to that nice consistency. It's gonna really expand. It's gonna give me a nice big breast. And then what I'll do is I'll put a little olive oil on it, okay? I'll maybe add a little bit of seasoning mix. I like this mix that has some garlic, salt, and pepper in it. Add that to it. And then yeah, make sure it's seasoned and it's got olive oil on both sides. Throw it on the grill. I don't time this, so I really can't tell you how much time on each side, but again, what I'll do is I'll put it on that flat side, okay, or that smooth side, I should say, down on the grill first. I'll let it cook a little longer on that side. When I start to see that the edges are cooked, cooking in a little bit, then I'll flip it, and probably about half as long on the other side. You can slice it open with your knife and just check it out, make sure it's cooked all the way through, but if you want, you can pull this off the grill when you think it's done, wrap it in some tin foil, and it will continue to cook for a little bit. But you should have really tender chicken. And again, we want our food to taste good, okay? Part of our lifestyle is enjoying meals. And if you know how to prep your chicken, you know, if you follow this video, if you brine it for 2 to 4 hours, tenderize it, season it a little bit, grill it on a super hot grill. You know, it shouldn't take longer than 6-7 minutes to grill it if it's super hot. And then yeah, you're ready to go. So let me know if you have any questions.